OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has announced a major update that allows the chatbot to access real-time information on the internet, breaking away from its previous limitations. Up until now, ChatGPT was only trained on data available before September 2022. As a result, any questions related to recent events or current affairs would have left users disappointed. But now, that's changing, starting with a select group of premium users who will be the first to experience this powerful upgrade. OpenAI has assured that this feature will soon be available to general users as well. This week, OpenAI also hinted at an even more interactive future for ChatGPT, announcing that the chatbot will soon be able to converse with users verbally, adding a new dimension to AI interaction. This capability opens up a realm of possibilities for how people will engage with information and seek knowledge. Until now, ChatGPT and similar AI systems used a pre-compiled reservoir of data to respond in a human-like manner. However, the lack of up-to-date information limited its functionality, especially when users wanted answers to current events or breaking news. For example, if someone asked the free version of ChatGPT, "When was the last earthquake in Turkey?" or "Is Donald Trump currently the president?" the response would often be something like, "I'm sorry, but I cannot provide current information." Such restrictions not only limited its usability, but also diminished its appeal for many. This constraint pushed users to other sources like Google, Twitter, or digital news websites for real-time updates. Tomas Chamorro-Premuzic, a professor of business psychology at University College London, highlighted the significance of this upgrade. He remarked, "Before this feature, you had to rely on traditional search engines or news websites to keep up with current events. Now, ChatGPT can be your go-to for up-to-date information." He also pointed out that this change could fundamentally alter how people search for information, potentially reducing the need to switch between multiple platforms. However, the integration of real-time browsing capabilities does not come without challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the authenticity and reliability of the information ChatGPT retrieves. Chamorro-Premuzic warns that without proper sourcing, there's a risk that users could unknowingly be presented with unreliable or misleading information. If ChatGPT pulls in content without verifying its authenticity or origins, people might assume it's trustworthy just because it came from an AI. This could lead to a serious issue of misinformation spreading through what seems like an authoritative source. The potential for misinformation has already placed OpenAI under scrutiny by regulatory bodies. In the United States, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, reached out to OpenAI earlier this year, requesting details on how the company plans to tackle risks related to misleading content or reputational harm. OpenAI's CEO has responded by expressing the company's willingness to collaborate and address these concerns. One of the reasons ChatGPT hadn't been able to search the internet until now is the immense computational cost. Each query made to the system incurs a tangible expense for OpenAI, with costs adding up quickly when scaled across millions of users. Additionally, ensuring data privacy and safety has been a major consideration. OpenAI aims to prevent the chatbot from inadvertently publishing illegal or dangerous content online in response to queries. When ChatGPT was asked why it took so long to integrate real-time web browsing, it cited three primary reasons: the time and effort needed to train language models, the risk of inauthentic information from recent sources, and regulatory concerns over accessing non-copyrighted or sensitive materials. The introduction of this new feature reflects the broader challenges facing the AI industry today. While the ability to access live information has the potential to make ChatGPT an incredibly powerful tool, It also raises questions about how AI systems handle, filter, and present information. Users will need to practice discernment and critical thinking when utilizing this new feature, as the stakes are higher with real-time data. As ChatGPT evolves, so too does the landscape of AI, bringing both opportunities and potential pitfalls. As with any new technology, the key will be responsible use and ongoing vigilance to ensure that it serves as a reliable aid rather than a potential source of confusion or misinformation. We hope you found this content insightful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more engaging and informative videos. We can't wait to see you in the next videos.